गोंय विद्यापीठात पेपर फुटी जाल्या एका प्राध्यापकान एका चलयेक परीक्षे पयलींच पेपर दिल्यात म्हूण बोवाळ. काल एक्टिव्हिस्ट काशीनाथ शेटयेन आक्षे पुलीस स्टेशनार कागाळ केली. गोवा फॉरवर्डाचो स्टुडंट सेल आणि ABVP गोवा युनिव्हर्सिटीच्या दारार पेपर फुटी जावंक ना तो कॅबिनात प्रॅक्टिकलाक केमिकल हाडपाक गेल्लो. पेपर फुटी प्रकरणाचेर विद्यापीठाचो कुलगुरू हरिलाल मेननाचें स्पश्टीकरण.
It was only said that somebody has entered to my cabin on the previous evening. And the dean has asked him, when dean asked him, the reply was that I have gone there to take a chemical. And the same faculty was a research scholar there. Okay, so he was going to different faculty's cabin. So with that freedom, he has gone inside and he has taken the chemical and did some analysis for his student. That is all is written. And then he said that if that was if that was something wrong from my side, I tender apology for that.
मजगती प्रकरणाची चौकशेक खासा समिती 48 वरां भितर रिपोर्ट घेवन दोशी सापडल्यार कारवाई करतले, कुलगुरू उलयलो.
Not in 2 days, in 48 hours, that means 2 days, the report will be submitted by the fact-finding committee. But if you want in the return, suppose you are the person. Unless and until I have some evidence that you have done something, how do I call you and discuss? It was basically what he has mentioned is that he has entered into somebody's cabin for taking a chemical for chemical analysis.
मजगती प्रकरणाचेर खर कारवाई जावपाक जाय म्हणून विद्यार्थी संघटनेनी बोवाळ घातिल्लो.
जेन्ना असले फॅकल्टी मेंबरूच जर अशी गजाली करपाक लागल्यो जाल्यार हेजो खंय ना खंय एक डायरेक्ट रेप्युटेशनाचेर इफेक्ट पडटा आनी खंय ना खंय रँकिंगाचेर इफेक्ट पडटा. सो हेजो आमी सारको निशेध करता.
बोवाळा उपरांत संबंधीत प्राध्यापकाक निलंबीत केला.
VCन एश्योरन्स दिलें की 48 आवर्सा भितर तेंचेर इन्क्वायरी बसतली आनी इन्क्वायरी जी बसला त्या टायम स्पॅना भितर त्या प्रोफेसराक सस्पेंड केल्ली आसा आनी ही सस्पेन्शन कॉपी तेमी आज प्रोड्यूस केल्ली आसा.
स्टुडंटा खातीर रुपेश राऊत.